Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find all 12 NPC quest location in Fish It Roblox. So don't get left behind. Some of these NPCs are tucked away in spots you never think to look. So the easiest way to find the NPC with quest is that you can just find it by in here. As you guys can see, there are 12 quests assigned by various NPCs around the world. So the quest NPC now have an orange icon above their head. So the easiest way to find it is just find the NPC with the orange icon above their head. Like for example, this one outside the Sisyphus statue, or inside the Lost Isles in here. As you guys can see, this is the scuba thief. It's one of the quests, NPC quests on Fish It. So you can just find the NPC with this orange icon at the top. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.